Hey guys, this is Monica. I welcome you to another exciting video of my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you few amazing cake decoration ideas which I have already tried. Yes, I tried all those. And yes, most importantly, all these cakes are decorated without cream and without butter. You cannot buy happiness, but you can buy a cake. That's a kind of same thing, but it's corona time. We don't want outside food, there is a chance of infection. So bake the cakes at home and decorate it as I did and enjoy. So let's get started. This is a two-tier coffee flavor cake. I use gems and Oreo biscuits for decorating it. It is loved by everyone. Yes, it's damn cute, right? Try it. This is a marble cake. I use dairy milk chocolate and just sprinkle it on the top of the cake. I use the glitter paper and cut the birthday year and paste it on the cake. This is the look before decoration of the cake. It is a chocolate cake. I use jams, cherry, salts and dairy milk for decoration. You can also use Kit Kat chocolate in the outer section if you want to. And this is a mango cake. On the top of it, it is mango jelly and a mango flower which I made with cutting the mangoes. How is it? Comment down. And this one, it is a vanilla cake. I used peanut on the top of the cake for decoration. And yes, while making the cake, I used food color, orange food color for giving it a orangey look. And I made a birthday card. आज it's a Monica Craft channel. Crafts तो होगा ही. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.